Coralglow Pinstripe Pied. Huge thanks to Kev at Exotics at Heart. Awesome little shop. Great doing business. Big thanks for this little girl, which I really look forward to raising up. Ever so chilled straight out the box. She's very little, as you can see. She was on mice. She's been with me 2 weeks and struck twice on a rat straight away. So that's how we're going to roll. Gorgeous little thing. Really look forward to seeing how she develops. I've always had the pinstripe attracts me, and I've got a thing for the the bananas, Coralglows. I just love their colour, and I always wanted a banana pied, Coralglow pied. So the fact that there's pinstripe, which I love, on top of it, that for me was just an instant yes. Not too much white going on either. I like the touch of white. Main body being yellow. Look forward to how she progresses.